What's up, YouTube? Alright, so I'm here with a student. Say hi to the people. We're about to run through the driving test. We're at a Broward County location. We're practicing. She's gonna be doing her tests soon, so we're just running through the things that they will have you do on the driving test. Alright, so they're gonna ask you, if you're parked facing uphill, what direction do you turn the steering wheel?
To the left, and then you're gonna put the car in park, pull up the handbrake, and take the key out the ignition.
Okay, cool. Alright, go ahead. Signal left. Signal right. Blow the horn. Press and release the brake. Car should be in park. Press and release the brake. Alright. So they're checking to make sure that the brake lights, the turn signal lights, and the horn's working. They will not take you out in a car if those things are not working. Now they're going to ask you to turn the wheel all the way to the left. And checking the front tire all the way to the right. Again, they'll be checking the front tire. Now that you're done with that, straighten the car. So 2 times to the middle, right there. Alright, next thing they're gonna ask you to do is reverse and go to the right. So you look behind, roll straight back. When your mirror get to the end of the line like that, you're gonna turn all the way left, all the way left. And I can show you more of the test now because we're not actually at the site. We're on the other side of the DMV site, so we can show more stuff here. Alright, so we're gonna go all the way down to the end of the street there. Alright, go down to the end and make a left turn, so signal left. Try to keep the speed slower than that. Come to a complete stop here and then make a left turn. So you look in both ways, make sure there are no cars coming. And then go ahead and make a left turn. Quick left, take your time and make a quick left. Stay close to your right side and slow down because you're gonna park right here. Straighten the wheel and stop. Park, find a space. Line up your mirror with the first line. Turn all the way to the left. Roll into the parking space. When you get to the middle of the space, then you straighten the wheel and just roll straight in and stop. Okay, put the car in reverse, roll straight back. When your mirror is past the end of the line, you're gonna stop and turn all the way to the left. Stop here, all the way left. Look behind and continue reversing. When your mirror gets to the end, to the middle of the space like this, you're gonna stop, put the car back in drive, turn all the way to the right. Alright, we're gonna go down to the end of the street and make a left turn. Okay, stop here. Stop completely. 1, 2, 3. Alright, go ahead. Make this second left turn. Again, we're gonna do this slower. You're kind of pushing kind of hard on the gas. Straighten the wheel. And then turn left here again. Signal left. Turn left slowly. And when you straighten up, you're gonna stop. And they're gonna ask you to do the quick stop. So stop here. Now we're gonna speed up to 20 and do a sudden stop. So go ahead, speed up, 20 miles per hour. And stop. Sudden stop, like that. Alright, now you're going to reverse. Straight back. So keep it straight. You have to roll straight back in the right lane, right? You stop in the right lane, you gotta come back in the right lane, which means you don't turn the wheel at all. Just hold it straight and roll straight back. Okay, that's good enough. Put the car back in drive. We're gonna pull to the right a little bit so we can do the 3-point turn. Okay, stop here, signal left. Turn all the way left. here, put the car back in reverse, turn all the way to the right. Look over your left shoulder in reverse. Left shoulder mostly. You're looking both ways here really, because people could be, yeah, but mostly left. Alright, put it back in drive. Turn all the way to the left. We're gonna go down to the end here and make a right turn. Alright, stop completely here. And you're going 1, 2, 3. Right? You're looking here, you're looking there. Make sure there's no one coming. And then you go ahead and make your right turn. And then a quick right turn. Easy. Straighten the wheel and park on the left side. Just find a space, line up your mirror with it. Go up a little bit more, just a touch. Signal left, turn all the way to the left. Go all the way around until you get to the middle. Keep going, keep going, keep going. Straighten the wheel and pull straight in. Keep straighten the wheel. Straighten back the wheel. Right there. Alright, stop. Alright, put the car in park. How you think you did?
I think I still need more practice.
Definitely.
Yeah.
You need more practice. She's gonna be practicing, right? So like I said, we're only practicing, so she's gonna practice more times, I guess, before she takes her test. But she's doing good enough. With I think one more practice or so, she should be able to pass the test.
Hopefully.
Hopefully. Yeah, you'll be alright. Alright, so tell the people to subscribe to my channel.
Subscribe, like, you already know.
Share, you know what I'm saying? Like, yeah, I have 16,000 plus subscribers now. I should have a lot more. I keep saying that, but
Yeah, it's really good. So
yeah, you guys, you know, they're tired of hearing me say I should have more subscribers, but I make the videos are helpful. Just do me the favor and just press the button. That's all. Alright, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.
bye guys.
Cool.